This brand is made in the USA by QC Manufacturing and the units are backed by a very good guarantee. They offer duct systems and they can be purchased through many home improvement stores as well as from the manufacturer's website and Amazon store. The roof mount 4.0 models have the fan mounted on the outside of the roof and a duct is ran through the attic to a register grill in a ceiling. This makes them much quieter than traditional whole house fans, but they are more expensive to install. They feature a 3-speed fan with a quiet and efficient ECM motor and they are controlled with a wireless remote. The Classic series offers 7 sizes of fans that use standard PSC motor technology, which is not as durable or quiet as ECM motors. The Energy Savers series uses the ECM motors and the systems are mounted inside the attic. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.